Why does your scanner show the P0638 engine code? And what does it mean? The P0638 engine code stands for the Throttle Actuator Control range, or performance in Bank 1. The P0638 indicates that there is a fault with the vehicle's throttle actuator control range in the Bank 1. It means that the PCM has detected that the throttle actuator is not in the right position. In this situation, cease driving and fix your car immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Clogged or dirty throttle, faulty throttle position, throttle motor issues, wiring or connection problems, powertrain control module malfunction. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. The P0638 engine error code can occur in many OBD2-enabled vehicles, especially newer ones with electronic throttle control. This includes Renault models like the Clio, Kangoo, Modus, and Twingo. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.